The Vantrue N4 is a feature-packed dash cam that offers premium functionality at an affordable price. With its main camera featuring 4K resolution, night vision capability, and 24-hour parked car monitoring, it has all the tools to catch hit-and-run culprits. Despite its impressive features, the Vantrue N4 costs only half as much as comparable models. What sets the Vantrue N4 apart is its comprehensive coverage. Along with a front-facing camera, it also includes interior and rear cameras, recording your car's movements and surroundings from 3 different perspectives. This means you have a complete documentation of any incidents or accidents. The Vantrue N4 is designed to be compact and unobtrusive on your windshield, similar in size to point-and-shoot cameras. Its 3-inch screen is bright and easy to read, complemented by an intuitive menu and clearly marked control buttons for easy navigation. Although it lacks app connectivity for remote video viewing and downloading, most users find it convenient enough to view footage directly on the camera itself or through a microSD card reader. Furthermore, the Vantrue N4 does not have built-in GPS tracking. However, you can easily add this feature by purchasing a GPS mount from Vantrue. Overall, the Vantrue N4 is a reliable and cost-effective dash cam that delivers impressive performance and coverage. That's a wrap. We trust you enjoyed exploring our selection of best dash cam. If you did, please show your support by giving us a thumbs up and clicking the subscribe button. Additionally, feel free to share in the comments which dash cam you're considering. Let's turn your choice into reality. Thanks for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you in our upcoming videos.